ikundi mwanya mwanya ni bikinyite mbere kamiti ya Senate ire kuthikira mendekithia ja kugweta Mîraa Ti Mbogita ndi kamiti jimenerete ndwangi cha thirikari iri kujukiria Mîraa Ti Mbogita ikithingatira untwire bwa karaja bora kinya bukurukitwa ni kagita mwenda bu ndwangi nicio cia kurwa na Mbogita NACADA na KEBS chugite igati ya watho bora kagita gaka na bora bwetete na mbere kuthuranirwa BWIYITE ndi kaunti ya Kilifi na Mombasa singite wendia bo muguka kaunti ine
gikaro kia mwingi gegwita moni joko ni musono jo witikire Mîraa enderea itikurika indawa cia kulevya musonda juria chuleti seneto kaunti mirubo na kathuri murungi na ndwangi mwanya mwanya thirikari iri kuretete moni jao ibachithire gakonene gasheke aria baramira kwithira bakionaniria ninya kwithira bekinia kiama bakamiti okaria bunge Senate nikibauga Mîraa indawa cia kulevya.
Thank you Senator.
Jawithire na bakenderea kugwatira uge bwao rongirwo kurwa ndawa cia Mbogita ja nthiguru ne Kenya NACADA ibagwatirire Mîraa indawa cia kulevya ontu bura nyumene nabu pethanire abiure birito.
What amount of cathinone and caffeine when chewed in Mîraa that has recognizable negative harmful effects
after prolonged use may include loss of energy, lethargy, depressive feelings, and slight trembling.
Even yesterday, Mr. Chairman, I was using Mîraa. And even now, you can see me, I am very sober.
We want to see that research which gave all these negatives that you learned, because you cannot just read from the bruise.
Muswanda jo seneta kathuri murungi jura kagitene kaju kinyirite second reading jura ende kithiria thirikari Kenya thurigitekiria KIMERA kiendere gikario na gitigwitwa ndawa cia kulevya aria kwithirwa akiuga chembe chenda wira chithiro chiendene kathene nyakathoneni ikethirwa igitwa nontu chiitwa andasi kuthira no timira ikethirwa iriau bobure unabu ntagaru jingi kuringana na uge bwa thomi bakumakirwa ngirwa thirikari kemrinya KEBS barua kena mirite kethirwa kiwetithanirwa ndawa cia kulevya no mwanka kathene nyakathoneni chithiro chigitaito.
Have you done a paper on cathinone and caffeine as substances, those two?
No.
So you're basically saying that you know nothing about Mîraa.
Kirigire kingi nakyo kira kietendhangarire ne kiri kulibao KIMERA ikwithirwa nthiguru Kenya ne sinanire na ngwatana cia kimanthiguru mwakine jwa 1974 kwithirwa ikigwata goko ndo yakurwa na ndawa cia kulevya.
Pharmacy and Poisons Board is required under the convention to submit annual estimates and reports to the International Narcotic Control Board, which regulates all member states when it comes to these treaties. And we submit on the quantity of the controlled substances. And when I say controlled substances, these are the illicit narcotics, psychotropics, and precursor chemical substances.
This is an African product, correct?
Yes.
Why should we rely on the West research on a product that is purely African, consumed by African community?
What I can say is that the report is just skewed to impress the listeners and the reporters in this meeting.
Na kuringana mushuthirire jwa nteto uria kwikana nyo ikuraja bainge bakiama bakamiti bakonekana bakigwata mbaru musoro jwa kathuri murungi aria bamwe bakwithira bakiikanwa bakiuga KIMERA kigwatirite uchubu bwa kaunti ya Mirutero Nyambene.
Norway doesn't grow either. But as we have people who on daily basis rely on this particular product, and if it is going to be actually told that it is going to be illegal, then it means we are actually cutting people's lives. So can you tell us what we need to do?
Reporter Antoshoro TV kuma jake ngina ngine kineke musho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.